In this video, I'll tell you how you can update Google Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy A07. First of all, navigate to your Play Store application like so and tap on this profile icon. Then scroll down and go to settings. And right here you can see about. Tap on about. Then scroll down and you can see Play Store version. Simply tap on update Play Store and it is saying Play Store is up to date. But what actually happens is that update comes late within the application. There is one more method by which you can easily update Play Store. Simply go back and navigate to your settings application. Then scroll down and go to about phone. Then scroll down once again and tap on software information. And right here you can see Google Play System Update. Tap on that. It is now checking for update. However, it is also showing that my Play Store is up to date. So that's how you can easily check for update of Google Play Store on Samsung Galaxy A07. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.